Zimbabwean truck driver killed by protesters in Mozambique amid rising region tensions. Hello viewers, welcome to Champions Network TV. A Zimbabwean truck driver was tragically killed in Mozambique during a protest as tension escalated over allegations of electoral interference. Reports suggest that protesters targeted the driver amid widespread anger, with some Mozambicans accusing Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa of facilitating voter transportation to support Mozambique's ruling party Frelimo in recent elections. The incident underscores growing frustrations in Mozambique, where accusations of external interference in the electoral process have fueled unrest. Evidence reportedly suggests that people were transported across the border to vote, sparking resentment among Mozambican citizens who feel their democratic process is being undermined. The South African Broadcasting Corporation SABC recently reported that Zimbabwe's ruling party ZANU-PF is becoming a serious problem within the region, adding weight to concerns that Zimbabwe's political dynamics may be affecting neighboring countries. The tragic death of the truck driver highlights the potential for Zimbabwe's internal political activities to impact regional relations and stability. The incident has prompted a call for both Zimbabwean and Mozambican authorities to address the root cause of the tension and ensure the safety of cross-border workers amid the current turmoil. Thank you once again for choosing Champions Network TV. For those who have visited here for the first time, kindly do subscribe so that you don't miss our daily uploads.
Hey, Mama Hindra bata ku dad. Amo. Hey, Jo Mahindra wa jo basa ngwana no hidaya aba. Mama Hindra bai. Mama Hindra ngwana no hidaya. Ah, hidaya ngudi jo Mahindra na kulimaza yulwe. Abale nyambalo na kudaya style banu. Da acontecer, mano. Alaja, tu vai tirar. Pisa tal.